Wow, what a day. The air is warm, the sky berries are sweet, and I feel super duper zoomy. Grumbles! Hey, Grumbles! Wake up! It's a perfect day for an adventure.
Adventure? Sparky, it's a perfect day for a nap. Go chase Cloud.
Oh, fizzy flames. I just can't get it. I need it for my collection. Please, Grumbles? There's a whimsy weed, the reddest one I've ever seen, and I'm too little.
All right. Where is this, this flower?
Okay, up, a little higher. It smells so sweet. It smells like, achoo!
Well, I'll be a boulder. You sneezed bubbles.
I can make more. Watch.
Rainbow bubbles. Huh. Maybe adventures aren't so bad after all.